Okay, welcome to SNHU's IT 140 Introduction to Scripting. I wanted to make a short tutorial just to explain where you find your course material. After you guys have signed in and set up your Codio, you should have the Codio environment, and that is where you're going to find your course book material. I spent some time, as you can see, if you look under Module 1, Data and Expressions, you will see that it says Textbook, Coursebook, and Codio, Chapter 0 and 1. I spent some time trying to find this, including looking in the bookstore, and no, it's not in the bookstore, it's in Codio. So if you click on Codio, and the first screen you will see is the Codio My Classroom. Where you would find this textbook is under Module 1. You will see that you have Reading Chapter 0 and 1. So this is your first week's reading assignment, and then you'll have your challenge right below it. So you would just click on that, and then it will load your reading material, and just read your material, hit next, and everything else is pretty much self-explanatory.